Today we dig into a topic that's super important for your oral health. How to cure gum disease without a dentist. If you've been struggling with gum disease and want a natural, effective solution, you're in the right place. Stick around, and let's get started. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, let's talk about what gum disease is. Gum disease, also known as periodontal disease, is an infection of the tissues that hold your teeth in place. It's often caused by poor brushing and flossing habits that allow plaque, a sticky film of bacteria, to build up on the teeth and harden. If left untreated, gum disease can lead to sore, bleeding gums, painful chewing problems, and even tooth loss. But don't worry, there are steps you can take at home to combat this issue. Here they are. Proper brushing technique. The foundation of preventing and curing gum disease is proper brushing. Use a soft-bristled toothbrush to avoid damaging your gums. Brush at a 45-degree angle to your gums, using short, gentle strokes. Make sure to brush all surfaces of your teeth, outer, inner, and chewing surfaces. Do this twice a day. Flossing daily. Flossing is crucial to remove plaque and food particles between your teeth that your toothbrush can't reach. Use dental floss or interdental brushes to clean between your teeth once a day. Slide the floss gently up and down between your teeth, curving it around each tooth. Use an antiseptic mouthwash. After brushing and flossing, rinse your mouth with an antiseptic mouthwash to kill bacteria that cause gum disease. Look for mouthwashes containing chlorhexidine or essential oils like Listerine. Swish the mouthwash around your mouth for 30 seconds and then spit it out. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient practice that involves swishing oil in your mouth to remove bacteria and promote oral health. Studies, like one from the Journal of Indian Society of Periodontology in 2011, show that oil pulling with coconut or sesame oil can reduce plaque and improve gum health. Swish 1 tablespoon of oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes, then spit it out and rinse with warm water. Salt water rinse. Salt has natural disinfectant properties and can help heal inflamed gums. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and rinse your mouth with it for 30 seconds. Do this 2 to 3 times a day. Baking soda paste. Baking soda neutralizes acids in the mouth and can help reduce gum inflammation. Mix baking soda with a small amount of water to form a paste. Apply this paste to your gums and teeth using your toothbrush, then rinse thoroughly. Hydrogen peroxide rinse. Hydrogen peroxide is a mild antiseptic that can help to reduce plaque and heal bleeding gums. Mix equal parts 3% hydrogen peroxide and water, then rinse your mouth with it for 30 seconds and spit it out. Use this rinse 2 to 3 times a week. Important note: regular use of hydrogen peroxide rinse can disrupt the oral microbiome and potentially worsen gum health. It should only be used under the supervision of a dentist. Drink green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and fight bacterial infection. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of unsweetened green tea daily can help improve your gum health, as suggested by research from the American Academy of Periodontology in 2009. Apply aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can soothe and heal inflamed gums. Apply pure aloe vera gel directly to the affected gums and leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing. Do this twice daily. Boost your vitamin C and D intake. Vitamin C is essential for gum health as it helps to repair connective tissues and accelerates the healing process. Incorporate foods rich in vitamin C like oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers into your diet. Vitamin D helps reduce inflammation and can be obtained through sunlight exposure or supplements. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below about your experiences or any questions you might have. We love hearing from you. Taking care of your gums doesn't have to involve expensive dental treatments. With these natural remedies and proper oral hygiene practices, you can effectively combat gum disease at home. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to these steps, and you'll be on your way to healthier gums in no time. But all that said, we advise that you go see a dentist, especially if you're dealing with gum disease in moderate or advanced stages. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.